and that is a dying storm right there. Then you have another buildup right there that is currently developing, and then looking out towards LA, Pasadena, and the San Gabriel Valley, and the valley, you got some thunderstorms over there. You will hear some thunder within that storm that is coming in from the valley to the LA basin. There's a strong cell right there. I've been tracking it for like the last 20 to 30 minutes, and then you see more buildups over here, and then you see another dying storm right here, and two dying storms over here. So yep, and then over there you see more thunderstorms, and yep, there's a lot of activity going on in LA right now, so stay tuned for more. Santa Monica, California. Hopefully I caught that lightning bolt right there. That right there is a very strong cell. Look at this cell. You could hear that thunder too. Hopefully I caught that lightning bolt right there. Storm is here. I got that one. Got it. Woo! Got that one too. Good thing I did not stop recording. Just like that, the storm is gone and it is dying. You can see some beautiful mammatus clouds up there. And let's take a look at those mammatus clouds one last time. Right there.